Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the highest quality file and isolating the face immediately. Once done, duplicate the background layer so you preserve the original pixels and can toggle changes. Make a quick crop to center the face or align eyes with the rule of thirds. This gives you precise local edits. Next, create a subtle mask that targets only skin and avoid hair or teeth. These first steps let you brighten selectively without harming highlights or color balance. Now you work locally. Add a curves adjustment on your mask and lift the midtones modestly, around 10 to 25 points, which brightens skin without clipping. Make sure to feather the mask heavily so transitions stay natural. Once done, use a soft dodge brush at low opacity, 5 to 15%, to gently brighten eyes, cheekbones, and the bridge of the nose. Also, make small temperature or tint tweaks if the face looks too cool or too warm. This preserves realistic skin tone. Finish by refining masks and blending adjustments so the brightening reads as natural light. You can subtly blur mask edges 1 to 3 pixels, lower the adjustment layer opacity to taste, and add light grain to match surrounding texture. Once done, compare before and after using the toggle. Make sure eyes and lip highlights aren't oversaturated. If skin highlights clip or look plastic, reduce highlights by 10 to 30 and rebalance midtones. This troubleshooting step usually restores realism quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.